Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarika and you're watching Creative Sarika. So today's video is equally important for each and every person who is watching this video, because this video is on self-reliance, and I think from a child to an old man should know how to be independent and not depend on others, and most importantly how we expect others to save us when the greatest power is within us. Today I will talk about how trusting yourself will turn your life more meaningful and fulfilled. Human beings always seek comfort from others. They rely on others. You can take yourself as an example, like from when you were born. From there, as a child, you were relied on your parents, your teachers, your mentor, and without them, you can't be so well nurtured and well educated. So yeah, every one of us are nurtured very well and given good education when we were a child, when we were just born, right? So from the beginning of our life, we are knowing how to be connected, how to be relied on others. We are not being taught about self-reliance and be independent ourselves. And there is a difference between independent and self-reliance. We cannot be completely independent. And now you must be thinking that what am I talking about? We all always think of being independent, right? But we actually can't, because if we see the meaning of being independent is like you're feeding yourself, you're nurturing your own self without taking any help from others, right? But it is not possible in our life, because look at yourself. Whenever you're eating, like the wheat, the rice, where it is coming from, it's coming from a farm. The farmers are working for your food to feed you, right? So how can you be independent? Even when you're using the phone to ignore everyone around you, when you are busy fubbing, where are you getting the phone from? You need a shop to buy a phone, right? Then you are not independent. Someone is making your phone also. You need someone to repair your light, repair your electricity when it is cut. You need someone to make your clothes because you need to wear something, right? Every time you are dependent on something, so it's not possible for being independent. It's a completely wrong conception. Instead, we are talking here about being self-reliant. So what is self-reliance? Self-reliance means you're completely, entirely dependent upon someone, like he or she is your lifeline, and you can't face challenges without them. You can't even walk one step of your life without them. That's what self-reliance actually means. You need them in every aspect of your life, in every point of your life. That's what self-reliance is called. You want them with you when you are facing challenges of your life. Everyone face challenges of their life, everyone has challenges in their life, and you want them with you to face challenges. And according to me, it's not possible. You yourself need to face those challenges. No one gonna face those challenges for you, and no one gonna save you from those challenges and rescue you, that yes, I am here for you, you don't need to struggle. It never happens. In your life there is struggle. Life means struggle. And if you're thinking that someone will save me, this important person, this important friend of mine, this my parents will save me from this problem, or my parents will be there, then my future is secured. Exactly not. You need to work hard for yourself. No one gonna work hard for you. Parents are nurturing you because they are making you a human capital, and then when you will be a human capital, you need to grow yourself. You need to feed yourself as well as your parents. Okay, so don't think that they are taking care of you, they will take responsibility of you entire life. No, if you're thinking this, it's a complete wrong conception. Okay, no one will understand your struggle as well as you do, as deeply you do. Okay, you need to be your own mentor. You need to guide your life in a right path. You need to be strong for yourself whenever there is any challenge coming towards you. Okay, you need to encounter it. Whenever you are embracing others tightly, and you are thinking that they will save you, you are losing yourself. Nothing else is happening. So I want you to find yourself first. Find who you are. All the strength is within yourself. Look, whatever strength you are looking for, it is within yourself. Suppose someone is giving you emotional support, right? So why can't you be the one to support yourself? You are fulfilled within yourself. If you seek support, ask yourself, and you will be mentally all right. You are capable to pat your own back during your success and calm yourself during your failures. Suppose someone is giving you financial support, then you have the power to earn money. Search options, search opportunities, you will always find a door of it. Okay, never depend upon anyone. I'm not talking about independent, being independent. I'm talking about being self-reliant. There is a difference, okay? There is a difference between drawing strength from others and placing our entire fate in their hands. I have heard many people say that, oh my god, I'm lonely. But according to me, no one is lonely, because lonely you have yourself. You're just alone. And there are many people out there who are alone and still working on themselves. They're improving, they're self-improving, and they don't feel lonely because they are alone, not lonely. They have themselves and they know it very very well. Think about those successful personalities who are your role models, right? They had millions of reasons to give up, to step back, but they chose to persist instead, right? They didn't wait for any ideal circumstances or any savior to appear. They just jumped in and worked in that uncomfortable position. They jumped in right that time and created their own opportunities and worked really hard in that uncomfortable circumstances. Circumstances are not comfortable every time. You need to make it comfortable. You need to make it ideal of your type, right? They took risks, they encountered many failures, but still they depended to rely on themselves, to rely on their own resourcefulness. So I would tell you to be inspired watching those successful people who really motivates you, and work hard for your goals, and all you need to do is rely on yourself. Don't think that a superhero will come in your life and save you from these challenges from your life. So that was it for my today's video. I hope you liked it and you really learned something from it. If you liked my video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to cover any topics, you can suggest me in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself.